Right now, we share our skies with physical objects that move in ways we cannot mathematically explain. For decades, reports of these craft were relegated to the dusty corners of science fiction. Today, they are a matter of public record. The most advanced sensor networks and aerospace defense systems on the planet are actively tracking them. These encounters are routinely corroborated by highly trained aviators and entire naval carrier strike groups. With hundreds of documented cases across decades, we aren't looking for proof that these objects exist. We are looking for an explanation of what they are. But if you try to look into this topic with a serious, analytical mind, you immediately run into a wall. On one side of the discourse, sensationalists treat a genuine scientific anomaly like cheap entertainment. On the other side, bureaucratic sterility buries the profound mystery under dense jargon. Between these two extremes sits a massive void. This leaves the intelligent public stranded. If you want hard facts while recognizing the scale of the unknown, you've had nowhere to go. That is exactly why UAP Universe exists. We built an ecosystem designed to bridge that gap, combining strict investigative rigor with a deep appreciation for the mystery. Every case we explore and every conclusion we draw is anchored directly to verifiable data. Our process begins by digging into primary sources, pulling from closed historical archives and official government files. We take those early records and cross-reference them against newly declassified military documentation and internal communications. Then, we filter that military data through the lens of modern scientific scrutiny and peer-reviewed analysis. Subjecting the evidence to this kind of grueling investigative gauntlet filters out the noise, leaving only the transparent facts of a case. But compiling highly technical data isn't enough if it remains locked away and impossible to digest. UAP Universe is a translation engine. We convert dense documentation into a clear, accessible ecosystem, delivering findings through videos, articles, and newsletters. The tone is light and relaxed, ensuring you can engage without getting bogged down. Most importantly, we never lose sight of the fascination. We preserve the passion and enchantment that draws people to this subject in the first place. It is entirely possible to demand factual accuracy while still allowing yourself to marvel at the unknown. You no longer have to choose between feeling like a conspiracy theorist or ignoring your own curiosity. Instead of sifting through anonymous forum posts, you have a direct line to the same documents and sensor data used by researchers and government officials. By following the paper trail instead of the rumors, you gain a perspective built on what we can prove, rather than what we want to believe. This process replaces guesswork with a structured search for answers, turning a long-avoided mystery into a legitimate field of study. Join the UAP Universe community across all our platforms. The mystery surrounding us is vast, it is very real, and we are finally investigating it with the seriousness it requires. Step out into the dark of night, keep your vision clear, and always look up with confident curiosity. The data is there, the mystery is waiting, and we are finally ready to explore it.
Well, if there's like a... It's rotating.